Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the crepe base. They're very simple steps, and here are the ingredients. First, you'll need a big bowl to put your ingredients in, and a spatula, and a mixing tool, and all those kinds of mixing stuff. So they're all like the surrounding stuff, and the actual ingredient is your flour, all-purpose flour. I'm gonna use this one, but you can use any kind. And your sugar. I'm gonna be using the normal white sugar. Next, you'll need your milk. And by the way, I'm gonna tell you the ingredients later. Then you'll need an egg that's about 50 grams. Then you'll need around 35 grams of water. And you can just put it in a measuring cup. Lastly, you'll need oil. I'm gonna be using this oil, but you can use any kind of olive oil. So what you want to do first is measure your flour. You'll want 50 grams of flour. It doesn't have to be right at 50 grams, but I like to make it just right, so I'm gonna measure 50 grams of flour. Next, you want to add 20 grams of sugar. I'm going to add this white sugar, and make sure you reset your measurement to 0. Now you'll want to mix your flour and your sugar really well together. Now you'll want to get your measurement back here again and set it to 0 after you put your bowl on. And you'll want to put your milk in. I'm gonna put 65 grams into your flour and sugar mixture. Make sure it's 0 once more time. Now you'll want to mix all of your 3 ingredients together. And now I'm gonna put the egg in. Again, it's about 50 grams, and you can crack it in your bowl. Now mix after you put your egg in well like this, in a circular way, in a vertical way. put it back on your measurement bowl again, and you'll want to put your water in. You'll want 35 grams, so you'll want to just measure 35 grams of water. Oh, it went 2 grams over. No, but it's okay. I'm gonna just scoop it out with my spoon. And now it's right at 35 grams. Mix again well. Now your last ingredient, your olive oil. Just put a little bit. There's not really a gram, but just like 3 grams or just like half a teaspoon. I'm gonna just put it in by itself, and I just made like a small pond in the bowl. Mix well because olive oil doesn't really go well with the other ingredients. Now let's cook it. First, preheat your frying pan to like a 4, so like a medium low, and then put your oil in, like just really a little bit. Just a little bit is okay, like same as earlier. Like this much, and then get a paper towel and like fold it in a small piece, and I'm gonna use chopstick to wipe some of them off after I spread the oil out. After your frying pan is preheated, get 1 full spoon of your ladle. So get a spoon, pour it, and spread it out like you're drawing a circle. If you accidentally make a hole or something, just pour your mixture in again. Okay, this is the hardest part. You'll need some practice to do this. First, set your spatula at the edge, and when you see a curve, hold that with your chopstick and put that small edge of your layer. And then hold that a little bit more with your chopstick and put it more further into your spatula. It's okay if you have some holes in your crust, and after you flip it like this, you'll just want to cook it for a few more seconds, like 30 seconds. And just make sure heat goes in evenly and spread it out so that it won't stick to each other. If you really don't want that hole, you can put your mixture in, like just a little bit, so that it will cover the hole. And then you can do the same step. It will become easier because it won't be sticking to your frying pan. And flip it over again so that that part of your layer will be heated. I kind of failed, but if you just even it out, it will become okay. If it really doesn't go well, all you need is practice. You can practice with a paper kitchen or anything and just practice flipping it over and over and over again, and then you'll be good at it. So now just repeat that process until you run out of your mixture. You can make approximately 4 to 5, or if you want a big size, maybe 3, but maybe smaller, maybe 5 or 6 pieces of your crepe layer. I forgot to take an ending, so this is the ending. Today I made a crepe base. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch my other videos. Bye!